Today, I drive the machine. Do you even know how?
How hard can it be? Eat.
It's so loud!
I can't stop it!
Turn left! Lefty!
This left? This left?
I saw my whole life.
We need to fix that.
I will never touch that again.
Next time, I drive. Stop! That machine is evil.
Yeah, right.
Married life is actually really peaceful. Married life is actually really peaceful.
Yeah, it is.
Why is he here?
Why is he here?
Oh no!
Oh no! Why is he here?
We were having a peaceful day.
Not anymore.
What did you do? What did you do? You do?
Don't know. Science!
Stop breaking our house!
Give me that! You thing!
No!
No! Hey! I said give it to me! Oops!
What just happened?
Next time you knock,
Me daskya not sing up.
you jerk! We mean it!
This field is perfect for vegetables. I guess it'll do. This field is perfect for vegetables.
I'm not convinced.
First, we prepare the soil.
The rows need to be neat and straight.
Carrot seeds go here.
Ah, carrot seeds go here.
And lettuce here.
Now we give them water.
vegetables are growing fast.
Days are ready. The tomatoes are ready.
Oh, look at this giant carrot.
Fresh vegetables from our farm. Our biggest harvest yet. Our farm keeps growing. Yeah. Our farm needs more chickens.
Really? Do we though?
Right now, we only have 5.
I brought more chicks.
They're so tiny. They're so cute.
First rule, feed them every day. Oh.
And fresh water too.
We need more space for them.
Enjoy the sunshine. Enjoy the sunshine.
20, 30, 30, 40.
Our chickens are laying eggs. Fresh eggs from our farm. Fresh eggs from our farm. We raised 100 chickens. Our egg business is growing. Pink. Next, we expand the cow barn. Ready. Building a big cow barn. Everything looks okay? Not really. Look at this. We can fix them, right? Yes, we just need to help them stand again.
Wrong target.
Like this, not your foot.
Whoa! Why always mud?
You and Mud are best friends now.
At least the cows are okay. Good job yesterday. I made it worse.
We fix things step by step. We saved them. We saved them. Farm is recovering.
Wait, what's that noise?
Ensampros Macapo. Something's coming. Just wait and see. Ready? We have a baby now.
What? Where did it come from?
An angel brought it. An angel? Seriously?
Oh, wait! WEH, when did this happen? Ah! I heard there is a baby!
No chaos near the baby.
He likes me.
Wait! Don't touch that! Why would you bring that here? Oh! Get it away! I told you not to touch it!
Get her! Get down here!
This baby is a genius.
No more toys! No more toys!
Parenting is hard.
Try this one. Brud!
Today we milk all our cows. Oh, fine, fine.
Whoa!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cows.
Happy cows give the best milk.
Let's start milking. Fresh milk already.
The milk is warm and fresh.
One bucket done.
8 more to go.
The milk is adding up. There's a playful, cartoony soundscape with the metallic clink out of buckets, a gentle rustic
10 cows finished.
So much fresh milk.
This milk is ready for the farm market.
Fresh farm milk.
Our cows take good care of us. Tomorrow we harvest corn.
Okay, today is the day. Pink, will you? No, that's wrong.
Raddy said he wanted to meet here.
Hey, Raddy. Hey, Raddy. Hi. Hi. Why do you look so nervous?
Do I?
You wanted to tell me something?
Pink?
We've been through a lot together.
Yeah, we have.
You're the best thing that ever happened to me.
Pink.
Will you marry me?
Oh my. Yetitopos yatipelder tekpantibes. Yes, Il. Of course I will. I love you. I love you.
I love you too.
Why do cows wake up so early? Good morning, Reddy. We need the milk.
Because they trust us.
Wait. Why nothing happening?
Wrong side, genius. Du sentimentabese.
Oh, okay. No, it's working.
Slow and steady. Slow and steady.
Is key. Precision is key.
We're getting better at this. Teamwork makes it easy.
Happy cows, happy life.
And less chaos today. That sounded different.
What was that?
Narrator, next episode, strange cow problem. We need someone to watch the baby. Please, Reddy, can you stay home today? All right, fine. Just this once. We need someone to watch the baby.
I'll find someone.
But we have to go now.
Just wait a second.
Oh! Direct! Did someone say babysitter?
This is a bad idea.
What's the worst that could happen?
Let's not find out.
Today we learned science. Ba.
That wasn't supposed to happen. Gravity is optional now. Gravity is optional now.
Why do I hear explosions? Probably because there are explosions.
B-R-U-D!
Whoa!
B-R-U-D! I told you no magic in the house! Whatever! This is amazing!
He pressed the button.
Oh, Brood again! Oh, Brood, look at him!
No more babysitting! No more babysitting!
No more babysitting. No more babysitting. Baby chaos continues. This will be our farm. Looks empty. We can grow vegetables here. Yeah.
First, we prepare the land.
Whoa!
Then, we do this.
The soil looks perfect.
Let's plant bent carrots and tomatoes.
Tiny seeds today, big vegetables tomorrow.
Ha 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 ha! Time to raise some chickens.
Welcome to your new home.
Our first cow.
Healthy cows make good milk.
Now we wait for them to grow.
Fresh eggs already. Huh.
Fresh milk from the farm.
Our farm is starting. This is just the beginning.
Oh, joy!
Another farm. That doesn't look good. Storm is coming. We must protect the farm.
Why is this fence fighting me?
Hold it tight. I'll fix it. No.
Ah! Come back! Why are you running in now? Oh!
Stay calm. Follow me. Ah.
Not the mud again, man!
Careful. I got you. Easy. Stay inside.
Oh dear. Yeah.
We're safe here.
Oh, too many things at once! No!
We do it together. We do it together. I think it's over. We saved the farm. Oops, really? We make a good team. Always. Why is the corn THIS big? Seriously. But it's giant, Reddy. Yeah, I noticed. Ha! Yeah! Ah! Yeah. Because I used super fertilizer.
This corn is stronger than me. I regret everything.
You just need technique. Why is the world spinning? Are you okay? Pink, where are you? I'm right here. I can see that.
Don't do that!
We're doing great! Important que sí!
Yeah, I guess. I am the KIG of corn.
Deal. I am the corn. Your favorite confection. Jelly and Dad would know.
You okay?
pushing, Reddy. We're almost there. Next time, normal corn, please.
Tomorrow we plant pumpkins.
Ma'am Parchi.
Next episode, giant pumpkin chaos.
Nice and quiet today. Finally.
What a perfect day! Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh. Whoa.
It's okay.
I wasn't looking where I was going.
I noticed. You're kind of funny. You're kind of funny. I am? Come sit. You look nervous.
Do I?
So, what's your name?
Ready.
Oh, that's a nice name. And what's your name? Pink. Awesome. Want to walk around the town with me? Sure. You're very quiet.
You're very quiet.
I'm thinking. Iwebao.
Yeah.
It's nice spending time with you. Yeah, this town is nice. Nana. Whoa. That's not what I meant.
Wait. Did I say something wrong?
Yeah. You're kind of clueless, you know that? Kyokba, let's hang out again tomorrow.
I'd like that.
Oh, okay. First date. Don't panic. Just act normal. Totally normal.
Hey, Reddy. Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
Oh, hi. I mean, hello.
Relax.
Relax. I brought you something. Hey, really? Oh, that's actually really sweet. I didn't know what girls like. You did good. Let's get something to eat. Good idea.
Good idea.
I'll take, whatever she's having.
You don't even know what I'm ordering. Careful. Careful.
Totally planned.
You're really nervous, aren't you? Maybe a little.
I just don't want to mess this up.
You're doing fine, Reddy.
Oh, thanks.
This is actually fun. See? Today was a good date. Yeah, the best one I've had.
That's not normal. Something's wrong.
Did it just glitch? What was that?
Ma?
Oh! That's not how this works.
Maybe it's just hungry.
It's worse.
Okay, only this one is weird.
Relax. Relax. We're here.
Why is it doing that? Why? Why?
Ah! Oh! Mir portiert Cyclops-Kin.
I regret milking today.
What? Wait, that's the problem. Yo, Sogum.
Oh. Now it's normal. We survived the weird meow. Next time, check the tail first.